Did you know that nearly 1.3 billion people worldwide suffer from high blood pressure, also known as hypertension? Here's a question. Could you be one of them without even realizing it? Most people don't show any symptoms until it's too late, leading to more severe health issues like heart disease or stroke. But what if I told you there are natural ways to regulate your blood pressure, some you can even make at home? Stay with me, because in just a few minutes, I'll share some simple home remedies that could help you keep your blood pressure in check. Let's start with the basics. High blood pressure occurs when the force of blood against your artery walls is consistently too high. Imagine water flowing through a garden hose. If you increase the pressure, the hose walls are under strain, and over time, they might even crack or burst. That's what's happening to your arteries. This is a silent killer because you may not feel any different, but inside your body, serious damage could be taking place. So, how do you know if you're at risk? There are several common causes of high blood pressure. Some of the big ones include poor diet. Too much salt, too much sugar, or highly processed foods can increase your risk. Lack of physical activity. If your heart isn't getting exercise, it has to work harder to pump blood. Stress. Yes, stress plays a big role. High stress levels over time can elevate blood pressure. Family history. Genetics can play a part too. If high blood pressure runs in your family, your chances of developing it increase. But the good news is, even if you're at risk, there are natural ways to help lower and control your blood pressure. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if I have high blood pressure? The truth is, many people don't experience any symptoms until it's too late. However, if you do experience symptoms, they might include severe headaches, fatigue or confusion, chest pain, difficulty breathing, irregular heartbeat. If you experience any of these, it's a good idea to check with a healthcare professional. Regular blood pressure checks are essential. So, how can you manage high blood pressure? A few lifestyle changes can make a world of difference. Exercise regularly. Just 30 minutes of walking a day can lower your blood pressure. Eat a healthy diet. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Reduce salt and processed foods. Limit alcohol and caffeine. These can elevate blood pressure. Manage stress. Meditation, yoga, or even just deep breathing exercises can help. By adopting these habits, you're already on the path to better health. Now, as promised, let's talk about some powerful remedies you can make at home to help regulate your blood pressure naturally. These are easy, accessible, and backed by research. 1. Garlic tea. Garlic is known for its ability to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Try making garlic tea by steeping 2 crushed garlic cloves in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink it once a day. This can have a powerful impact on your blood pressure. 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is another fantastic natural remedy. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea can lower systolic blood pressure, thanks to its antioxidant properties. Have a cup daily, and it may help keep your blood pressure in check. 3. Ginger and lemon shot. Ginger and lemon are both great for circulation. Create a morning shot by blending fresh ginger and lemon juice. It not only gives you an energy boost but also supports healthy blood flow and can help regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure doesn't have to control your life. By making simple lifestyle changes, eating well, managing stress, and trying these natural remedies, you can take control of your health. Remember, it's important to monitor your blood pressure regularly and consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Now, what remedy are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your health naturally.